Good day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with DL Tutors. In today's class, we are still on balancing chemical equation. We are going to be taking an example. Write a balanced equation for the combustion of ethane in oxygen. Now, ethane is an alkane, and for the combustion of alkanes in oxygen, we have a general formula, general equation, which is CXHY plus X plus Y over 4 O2 to give XCO2 plus Y over 2 H2O. So this is the equation for the combustion of alkanes in oxygen. Now, in ethane is equals to C2H6. So, meaning this is X and this is Y. So, now let's start right. X equals 2, Y equals 6. So, in this equation, we are going to actually substitute the value of X and Y into this equation. Anywhere you have X, replace with 2, and then where you have Y, you replace with 6. So CXHY, that is going to be C2, HY, that is H6, plus X, plus X, which is 2, Y over 4. Y over 4 is 6 over 4 O2, and arrow to give. Oh, this is quite... Okay, let me just rewrite it and make it smaller. So, CX, just like before, that will be C2H6 plus X, which is 2, plus Y over 4, that will be 6 over 4. O2, add arrow to div. XCO2, that will be 2CO2, plus Y over 2 H2O, that will be 6 over 2 H2O. So now let's see what we have. So we have C2H6 plus, now let's try to turn this into a single fraction. So this is like 2 over 1. Just cross multiply. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 6, 6 over 4. O2 to give 2CO2 plus 6 divided by 2 gives 3 H2O. So we have C2H6, 8 plus 6 gives 14, so plus 14 over 4 O2 to give 2CO2 plus 3H2O. Are you with me? So you have C2H6 plus, now 14, you can say 2 in 14, which gives 7, 2 in 4, which gives 2. O2 to give 2CO2 plus 3H2O. So what we try to simply do is to remove the denominator of 7 over 2 O2. And to remove that denominator, we are going to multiply the entire equation by this denominator. So that would be 2 multiplied by C2H6 plus 7 over 2 O2 to give 2CO2 plus 3H2O. So when we have 2 times this, remember in the last class we learned that you don't change the subscript, but you actually you can actually change the coefficient. So this becomes 2C2H6. 2 times 7 over 2 gives 7 because 2 we cancel 2 plus 7O2 to give 2 times 2, 4CO2, 2 times 3 plus 6H2O. So let's do a quick check of the atoms on the side of the reactant and the atoms on the side of the product. So we have CHO, CHO. So here, 2 times 2, the number of carbon is 4. Here we have 4 carbon. atoms. So carbon is balanced. For hydrogen, 2 times 6, which is 12. The number of hydrogen atoms in the reactants is 12. Here we have 6 times 2, which is also 12. So this shows that hydrogen is balanced. Then here we have 7 times 2 for oxygen, which is 14. And here we have 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 6 times 1, 6, which is 14. So which shows that our equation is balanced because the number of atoms we have on the reactant is also equal to the number of atoms we have in the product. And if you have to calculate the masses of this atom, is going to be the same because you have the same number of atoms, which shows that it obeys the law of conservation of matter, which states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, atom is neither created nor destroyed, but you have rearrangement of atoms of the reactant to form products. I hope you enjoyed this class. Follow for more cool chemistry. Bye. See you next time.